Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use natural herbs to lower your high blood pressure. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just let me know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. And thanks for all my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Let's get into this video. To make this lovely tea, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start off with a herb everyone knew about, the humble basil. This been used in a lot of kitchen worldwide, especially Italian. They use it for pasta, sauces, and we all use it for various things, for meat and different things, dressing. So just with this, studies already proven that just adding a bit of this to your diet can reduce high blood sugar level and also high blood pressure. So I'm going to mix this with a bit of, I have here some fresh thyme also. Simple thyme, look at that. Straight from your kitchen, and you have your own natural home remedy medicine. Next you have ginger. I'm just going to cut about that. So that should be enough to make me a lovely cup of tea. And guys, remember to try this also. You have nothing to lose. And the humble ginger, it's good for nausea, vomiting. It's good for your digestive system, good for speeding up your antioxidant. And also, it helps to prevent arthritis, inflammation, and also infection. Ginger is also good for diabetic, cancer, and other health problems. So I'm going to combine all of this together. I'm going to put a pot of water on the stove. So while this is getting ready to boil, I'm going to come back over here and prepare my ginger. So for the ginger, I'm just going to take the skin off. Just use a knife. Take the excess skin off. So that should be all right. And then what you're going to do, instead of chop it up, I'm going to grate it. So one of the best way to get good benefit out of your ginger, just grate it like this. So you break up all the fiber. And look at that. So we're just waiting for water getting a bit hot. So I'm going to go ahead and just drop my thyme in it. Basil. Put your ginger in. What we're going to do, we're going to bring this to a boil. I'm telling you, you're going to love this tea. This is very healthy, very effective. Not only that, very tasty. Normally when this tea is finished, you can have it. Don't put any sugar in it. We're going to use some natural honey. If you like honey, you can put honey in it. Because honey is healthy anyway, but get a good quality honey and put it in it. Or leave it. But this morning, I'm going to have this with some lovely honey. So we're gonna let this boil a bit. The next thing I like to do, I'm just gonna put a pinch. You see, this is natural, organic, Celtic salt. Just a pinch, just for balance. Because this salt helps replenish the nutrient that leave your body, especially when you urine or any waste. So that helps put extra mineral in your body. And if you don't have the Celtic salt, get the Himalaya salt. Yeah, so this is almost ready. I'm telling you, when you try this tea and see how effective it is, you're gonna call me Dr. Linden instead of Chef Linden. This is proper stuff. Look at the color. So I'm gonna put it in this my teapot because it have a strainer inside of it. So just go ahead, pour this in. Just get your lid, cover them up. Just get your cup and your honey. Just squeeze some honey in. It's all nice, proper honey. So that's all right for me. As you can see, look at the color in this. All natural. It doesn't get better than this. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to you guys, please do like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. And all my new subscribers, thank you for you. And keep tuning in. I have a video which I released the other day. Also, you guys can watch about natural ingredients so that you stop coughing and clear your body from mucus. That's also is very good. It's a lovely video. Wow. Cheers to you all.